As of 2021, the National Capital Region, Calabarzon, and Central Luzon have the highest concentration of middle-class households. In NCR, 3 out of 5 persons are from the middle class, while in CAR, half, about 51% belong to middle income. Meanwhile, Calabarzon has the same share of low and middle class income classes, around 49.6%. As of 2021, in most regions, low-income families are the majority. This might still change depending on the data from 2023. In 2021, however, the majority, about 60% of Filipinos, belong to low-income families with per capita incomes below twice the poverty line. That's around 25,000 for family 5. Calabarzon, Central Luzon, and Central Visayas had the highest shares of low-income persons collectively, accounting for about 23% of the total income, low income of population in the Philippines. On the other hand, the middle income class comprised around 40% of the population in 2021, most of whom are residing in Metro Manila, Calabarzon, and Central Luzon, and together contribute about 52% of the total middle income Filipinos.